Welcome to today's video where we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing. Whether you're a student looking to make extra income or just someone interested in earning online, this method could be your gateway to passive income. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience or technical skills to get started. In this video, we'll cover the basics of affiliate marketing, how to choose the right products to promote, and strategies to maximize your earnings. So stay tuned and let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a way to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. You don't own the product, you just act as a middleman, connecting people to products they might want. Let's break it down. You find a product or service you believe in, sign up for their affiliate program, and get a unique link to promote. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but way more flexible. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let's take a closer look at how it works step by step. The first thing you need is a niche, basically a topic or category you want to focus on. This could be anything from fitness to technology, fashion, or even gaming. Once you've picked your niche, you'll need to find products to promote. This is where affiliate programs come in. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale all offer affiliate programs where you can sign up and start promoting products. Next, you'll promote your unique affiliate link. This could be through social media, blogs, YouTube videos, or even email marketing. The key is to share your link with people who are genuinely interested in the product. Finally, every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The more sales you drive, the more money you can make. Like everything, affiliate marketing has its pros and cons. Let's quickly go over both sides. Pros: low startup cost. You don't need to invest any money to start. Many affiliate programs are free to join. No inventory or customer service. Unlike drop shipping or e-commerce, you don't need to worry about stock or handling customer complaints. Potential for passive income. Once you've set up your content and links, you can earn money even while you sleep. Cons: takes time to build. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build trust and a following that will click on your links. Commission rates vary. Some products have low commission rates, meaning you need a high volume of sales to earn significant income. So, you're probably wondering, how can I start as a beginner? Here's a simple guide to getting started in just a few steps. Choose a platform. Decide where you'll promote your affiliate links. Popular platforms include YouTube, Instagram, or a blog. Choose one based on your strengths. If you love making videos, start a YouTube channel. If you prefer writing, go for a blog. Create valuable content. People won't click on your affiliate links unless you're providing them with something valuable. Create content that answers questions, solves problems, or recommends helpful products. Focus on building trust. Trust is key. Be honest in your recommendations. Don't just promote products for the sake of earning commissions. Promote products you believe in or have researched thoroughly. Track your performance. Use tracking tools provided by affiliate programs to monitor your sales, clicks, and earnings. This will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. And that's a quick introduction to affiliate marketing. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn money online as a student, this might be a great fit for you. The key is consistency. Keep creating content, build trust, and over time the income will follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making money online. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.